Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thanks for the chance that given to me. Now I would like to present my analysis novel. The title is Midnight Library by Matthew Haig. The first is analysis in transit. 1. Dam. The central dam revolves around the exploration of regret, second chance, and the importance of finding mental and purpose in life. The novel delves into the weight of unrealizing potential and illusion of a perfect life and the ultimate expectance of one's own unique journey. Other significant themes include the interconnectedness of life choice, the fragility of mental health, and the power of self-compassion. 1. Regret and choice explores how regret shapes one life and the power of making new choice. For example, Nora reflects on her regret when review her book of regrets. Set 2. The meaning of life. The novel examines what makes life meaningful, focusing on relationship, purpose, and self-acceptance. 3. Second chance. The idea of starting over and learning from past mistakes is central to Nora's journey. Second, characters. The first is Nora. The protagonist at the start, she is disillusioned with life. For her journey through alternate life helps her find hope and self-acceptance. The second is Mrs. L. The library in the Midnight Library, and Nora guides symbols, wisdom, and comfort. And the third is Hugo left. Another travel in the multiverse who help Nora understanding and concept of alternative lives. And the fourth is Nora families and friends. Of course, different life. Their rules vary for life, showing how relationships shape one happiness. The third is setting. The primary setting in the Midnight Library, a fantastic, safe, exciting, outside of conventional time and reality. This setting allows for the exploration of infinite possibilities and reinforces the novel exploration of choice and consequence. The alternative life Nora experiences are set in various locations and time periods, further highlighting the breadth of potential life paths. The first is the Midnight Library, a magical library that exists between life and death. It symbolizes possibilities and the infinite outcomes of choice. The second is alternative realities. Nora explores several lives, who being a rock star for a glaciologist, it's reflecting a path she would have taken. And the third is Bedford, Nora hometown, representing familiarity and the roots of her struggles. And the fourth is plot structure. The first is exposition. Nora is introduced as a woman overwhelmed by regret, leading her to attempted suicide. And second is racing action. Nora enters the Midnight Library and begin exploring alternative lives. Third is climax. Nora realized that the perfect life exists and the meaning comes from within. The fourth is pollination. Nora decided to return to her original life, understanding its value. And the last is resolution. Nora wakes up and begins to embrace her life with a new perspective. And the five is point of view. Third person limited. The story focused on Nora's experience and through providing insight into her emotion and development. And the sixth is moral message. The novel promotes self-expansion, acceptance, and the importance of finding meaning in life regardless of its perceived imperfections. It emphasizes the value of human connection and the resilience of the human spirit in overcoming an adversity. It suggests that while regret is a natural emotion, dwelling on it can determine focusing on the present and expectation one life is crucial. First is appreciate the present. Life's value is not is achieve perfection, but is appreciating what we have and living authentically. The second is embrace imperfection. Regrets are a natural part of life, but they don't define us. The third is the power of choice. Small choice can significantly impact one's journey, emphasizing the importance of making thoughtful decisions. And the last is language feature. Haiku utilizes simple yet evocative language, making the complex then accessible to a few audience. He effectively employs metaphors and imagery, particularly in his description of the Midnight Library and the various alternative lives. And the second is analysis intrinsic. The first is the author. Full name is Matthew Haig. Date of birthday on October 3, 1975. Place of birthday, Surflight, England. Occupation, author, novelist, essayist. Education, studied English and psychology, philosophy at the University of Hull. Genre, fiction, non-fiction, children's literature. The career highlights, debut novel, notable works, How to Stop Time, Reason to Stay Alive, and The Humans, and the last is The Midnight Library. Next is historical background. While not explicitly tied to specific. The next is historical background. While not explicitly tied to specific historical prior to the novel reflects contemporary anxieties around social pressure, career expectation, and the search for personality fulfillment in modern society. And next is culture background. The novel is roots is Western culture, reflecting its value and concern, the exploration of individual choice and personal fulfillment aligns with Western philosophical tradition. And the last is social background. The novel addresses various social issues, including mental health stigma, the pressure of society expectation, and the challenges of finding one place in the world. It highlights the university of human experience and the shared struggle for meaning and purpose.